How to assemble the LED rotating phototherapy panel. 1. Unpack the package, take out the machine base and for caster wheels, turn the base upside down and place it flat. Use 16 hexagon socket screws M6*12mm to fix and install the 4 caster wheels at the 4 installation positions of the base plate respectively. To install the base and phototherapy main unit, align the screw holes on the base plate with those on the phototherapy main unit, and fix them firmly with 4 hexagon socket screws M1*20mm. 3. Install the rotating shaft. First, insert the rotating shaft into the hole of the lifting rod, ensuring the screw holes on the rotating shaft face upward and align with the holes on the lifting rod. Then take 4 hexagon socket set screws M8*12mm and align them with the grooves of the rotating shaft. Installation is impossible if not aligned with the grooves for preliminary fixation. Finally, use 3 hexagon socket ball plunger screws M8*10mm to fasten the colored marked groove at the rear of the rotating shaft. 4. Take out the light panel body, place it parallel to the rotating shaft of the phototherapy main unit, align it with the screw holes, and fix it with 2 hexagon socket screws M6*16mm. 5. After assembling the main components, take out the connection cable and connect the phototherapy main unit to the light panel body. After the connection is completed, connect the power cable to the power supply, then the machine can be turned on for use.